Hello guys, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm gonna teach you how you can actually install Plotly. So Plotly is a counterpart or another way in wherein Python is able to graph data, and there is a bit of difference, but for us to compare we need to install both so that we know the difference for ourselves, but we can actually try to incorporate one to the other or just choose one and then you do your project there. So you can actually go ahead and copy this and then go to your command prompt again, and then put it right there, and then it will install pip install Plotly, and then we'll have to wait, and this will depends on how fast the internet is going right now. Alright, so because it actually checked if there's a version of Plotly in my computer and it's brand new. I mean it's fresh. There's no installation yet. Okay. And we have to wait for a minute or so for the installation to proceed. Alright, so what's the difference between Plotly and matplotlib? Actually, there is a great deal of difference. Like for example, this dude is actually teaching us, or teaching me on how to do beautiful plots that has something to do with data. Okay, and here he is using Jupyter, which we are going to be installing later on. So there's no problem if you install Plotly first, then followed by Jupyter notebook. Okay, so same process. So I have to again saying installing Plotly. Okay, and then we have step one. Of course, you have to open your CMD. Okay, and step two, copy and paste or type. Okay, copy and paste. Then run this. Yeah, there we go. And then afterwards, you will see that your computer is downloading the Plotly version, which is 5.11. So it's just installing the package. Let's just wait for a while, and then um, in the next video maybe I'll be teaching you how to get one and make one code. Alright, so the next thing that we should install is Jupyter, and then that will be the topic of the next video. So I'll be putting the links in the description box below, so you better read it so that you can get all of these codes. But if you know how to navigate the computer or the internet, you can actually go ahead to the right side and then get the codes. If you know how to use your CMD properly, like you just have to type pip and then space and then install, and then space and then the name of the package that you want to install, and pip will actually do that for you, or Python will, your computer will actually do that for you. So this is how easy it is to make use of these installation things. If you have installed pip, then you're good to go. Taking some time. So we'll have to wait for this to be installed. But as soon as you say that you see that it's installed, I think it's good. Okay, and I'm gonna end this video right here.